Oh boy, here we go again. Check engine light came on. Took a while, but it finally came on the Dodge Ram 2012 1500 5.7 Hemmi. Okay, so let's put the OBD2 and find what that is. Okay, my OBD2 sensors there connected, and I used my program and it gave me P0303 cylinder 3 misfire. Oh boy, cylinder 3. So let's leave this alone for now. Let's pop the hood. Okay. Cylinders on the Dodge starts from the driver's side, so that's 1, and then goes 2, and then 3 will be the second one. So to be exactly accurate, so the ones with the blue dot on it, so that's 1, and then 2 will be the other side, and that's 3 right there, right next to my brake cylinder, master cylinder, my whatever you call this pumping thing. So I need a scroll to get this out. A socket, it's a 5/8, but in order to get that first, I have to take this air tube here. So first thing, I'm gonna pull this red tab. Okay, press it, and that's gone. Okay, there's another tube by the air. Hey, what's up, man? Okay, my air filter, and then there will be 3 clips. Supposed to be more, but it's missing one here. 2, 3, and that should free this box. Just pull forward. The front's just a clamp. Now over here, I need a screwdriver flathead. You don't have to take it completely out, just lose it. Okay, should be able to take it out now. Alright. That's it. Now I don't want any dust getting to my air filter, so I'm turning this upside down. The top one's the one that you don't want to get dirty. Go inside the engine. Okay, this thing, the cover, we should just pop it up and then pull towards the front. This hole's right here, and it's free as well. Alright, okay, now you can see cylinder 1, cylinder 2, cylinder 3. Alright, let's get that coil out. That's a 10mm socket to get that out, and a 5/8 to get the spark plug. But I'm gonna change the spark plug, the coil. Hopefully that's it. If not, gonna go through this gasoline rail, disconnect that gasoline hose, and then change the fuel injector number 3. Hopefully it dies right there on the coil. Okay, like I say, it's a 10mm. It's 2 bolts. I like to lose them first, then disconnect the electric plug on it. After that, disconnecting this is just pressing and pulling. First, so let me get this coil out. So it's just this side right here. Need 2 hands, be back. Okay, Now just pull the coil out of there. I already have a replacement. Alright, comparing the coil, looks the same. Came with 2 screws, which are the M6 -1.0 millimeter, and length on this one is 25 millimeter, but the original might be 30 millimeter. Comes with this washer, which doesn't fit right, looks like. I don't know. Oh, it does. Anyway, it's good. Let's put it on. Okay, cylinder number 2, new coil pack install. One thing I forgot to do is just cover that. We don't want any dust in it. Okay, let's put it back. Everything, put it back. Now I just gotta clear the codes and drive it around for a little bit, and hopefully that's it. I tested the spark plug. The spark plug's good, so I didn't make a video on that, but so the spark plug's good, so I went for the coil right away. That's why I had that waiting for the part. Now if that doesn't go, that would be the next step, which will be fuel injector. Hopefully that will be the end of it, so I don't have to go through fuel injector. And if it doesn't go through the fuel injector, then I would say sell the fucking car. Instead going through the camshaft change and seals on the casket, the engine, you don't want to go through that for the pushing piston, lifting piston, whatever the thing's called. That means taking the engine apart to get the shaft, the camshaft out. We don't want to do that. That would be the worst case scenario. Hopefully it's not.